Hello, dear students. I hope you are doing well. So, as you know, this week we started learning about the paragraph, the parts of the paragraph, and we said there are three main parts: the topic sentence, the supporting sentences or the supporting details, and the concluding sentence. And we had this worksheet to solve. It was due on Thursday. So, in this video, I will be recording for you the solution for the worksheet. In the first part, you have to read the paragraphs and to underline the topic sentences only. So here you have the topic sentence for the first paragraph. For example, the first paragraph, I would like to tell you about my uncle. His name is Huma and he is 39 years old. He is my father's youngest brother. I really like Uncle Huma because he is very kind and very funny. He also tells us interesting stories about the places he visits. So in this paragraph, the topic sentence is, I would like to tell you about my uncle. And remember, we said that the topic sentence it is the first sentence in the paragraph. It comes before the detail, the supporting details, and before the concluding sentence. And of course, it has the main idea of the paragraph. So here you have the answer. The topic sentence for paragraph number 1 is, I would like to tell you about my uncle. The topic sentence for paragraph number 2 is, I love football. So let me show you here. I will annotate and show you. So we said here, I will tell you about my uncle. This is the topic sentence. And here, I love football. This is the topic sentence for paragraph 2. Here, my brothers all have jobs. This is the topic sentence for paragraph 3. And paragraph 4, I like most types of books. Okay. Now let me clear the annotations and show you here the answers. As I was saying, the topic sentence for paragraph 1 is, I would like to tell you about my uncle. The topic sentence for paragraph 2 is, I love football. The topic sentence for paragraph 3 is, all my brothers have jobs. And the topic sentence for the paragraph 4, I like most types of books. Now let's look at part B. In part B, you have to read the paragraph, this paragraph, and you have to tick the best topic sentence. So here you have A, B, C, D. You have 4 options, 4 topic sentences. You have to pick the correct one. There's only one correct sentence that fits in this paragraph. So the space here is left for one of these topic sentences. So before choosing the topic sentence, you have to read the paragraph. And after reading the paragraph and understanding the idea of the paragraph, you can guess the topic sentence which has the main idea of the paragraph. So let's read it together. It produces many cars such as Toyotas and Nissans, which it sells all over the world. Of course, these are details because we said it's missing the topic sentence. It also produces electrical goods such as televisions and DVDs. Tokyo, the capital of Japan, is one of the biggest and most modern cities in the world. So by reading this paragraph, we can know that we are talking about Japan and the products that it produces, like cars, and here such as, we said examples, Toyotas and Nissan. So these are all details. And it sells these products all over the world. And then it produces also not only cars, but also electrical goods. For example, televisions and DVDs. So you remember we said that in the supporting details, we write the details. So this is detail number 1. It produces cars. And here we gave an example, such as Toyotas and Nissans. And here is supporting detail number 2. It produces electrical goods, and we also gave an example such as televisions and DVDs. And then we said Tokyo, the capital of Japan, is one of the biggest and most modern cities in the world. So now we have to look at these topic sentences and look for the one that best fits with the paragraph. Japan is a very beautiful country. This one does not fit because here we are not talking about the beauty of the country. We're talking about how it's modern and one of the biggest cities in the world, Tokyo, and how Japan produces a product that it sells all over the world. So we're not talking about its beauty. That's why this is not the topic sentence. Let's look at the second one. Japan, for example, makes computers. This is an example. And an example is not related to the topic sentence because we said that the topic sentence should only have the main idea. So an example is related to the supporting details. So this one is also not the topic sentence. Now let's look at the third one. Japan is a very important country. And the fourth one, Japan makes cars. Now for sure, we cannot say the topic sentence is that Japan makes cars because we saw here that it doesn't only make cars, it also makes electrical goods. So we're not only talking about cars. So obviously part D is wrong. And we can see that part C is the correct one. Japan is a very important country. And we said before that the concluding sentence has the similar main idea that is mentioned in the topic sentence, but we mention it in a different way, in other words. So the topic sentence says Japan is a very important country. In the details, we give examples and details why it's important because it produces different products like cars and electrical goods and sells them all over the world. And at the end, we said that it's one of the biggest and modern cities. It's one of the very important countries. So the answer is C. Clear? And then they are asking us, now that we chose part C, which is the correct one, and there are A, B, and D, they are all wrong. So here in this part, they are asking us why these are wrong, the three, A, B, and D. So one of them is an example. We saw here that part B is an example. Okay. One of them is a smaller idea and not the main idea, which is part D. It's a small idea because we saw it in the supporting details here. It makes cars. And one of them is about something different from the sentences that are in the paragraph, which is Japan is a very beautiful country. This is different and not related to these sentences and not related to the idea or the main idea of the paragraph. And we said before that any idea that's not related to our topic and our main idea, we do not write it. So you can see here the answer, the correct answer, and why the other three topic sentences were not correct. Okay, clear all drawings now. And the last part, you have to read the following paragraphs and underline the supporting sentences. So we said that the supporting sentences are the sentences that come after the topic sentence and before the concluding sentence. You have them here highlighted in red and underlined, okay? You have the first paragraph and the second paragraph. So the one in the black, the first sentence is the topic sentence. First supporting detail, in addition, second supporting detail, finally, third supporting detail, and here is the concluding sentence. Now here our video comes to an end. If you have any question, please send me an email or a WhatsApp message. Have a nice day.